Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we will talk about on our continuation part of the contribution of Dr. Pankaj Kumar in orchid biology. So let's get started. So our first slide on Enoctochilus formosanus. So this is an terrestrial orchid, as you can see from that habitat or habit that is given in this picture, and I have taken this picture from the citation that I have given at the down. You can see, so it is one of the new record from Hong Kong. It is done by Dr. Pankaj Kumar. So first you can notate it in here that the plant is erect and up to 25 cm tall. So as per the mean measurement I have written, it is totally I have taken that from this paper. So you can also go through it and get to know about their other characteristics or other variation that you want to know. So flower are respugnant, sepals and petals greenish brownish to greenish red. As you can see, sepals and petals are sometimes greenish brownish to reddish, or you can say greenish red, and the labellum is white flushed. As you can see, the labellum is totally white in color, white flushed with yellow on the outer surface of the mesochyle and along the flanges, the spur flushed green. So it is the variation, or you can say the morphology of the flower character that you can know. But if you want to know more about it, you can go through this citation and get to know about it more. So the flowering period is from October to November, and it grows in leaf detritus on mossy blunders close to streams in mature montane forest. So these are their habitat where you can find it. And now move to our next orchid species. So now move to our Cymbilepia soriodungi. So it is also one of the publication by Dr. Pankaj Kumar, and it has also communicated, or you can say published in very reputed journal. So you can also go through it and get to know about more on this orchid species. So according to that paper, I get to know that it is a moderately branched lithophyte or epiphytic monopodial orchid. It is there, and the flowering pattern, as you can see, it has a very small in size. The flowering open is widely, so 2.53 cm in diameter, then pedicels ovary terete, then pale purple to white curved, then 8 to 1.2 mm long, then 1.7 to 2 mm in diameter, then sepals and petals are glossy white flushed pink with purple pink spot inside, almost white with purple spot outside. So the labellum is purple, brown or to yellow or orange, it is there. So it is some time of variation it is there. So you can never get confused with other species. And the flowering from June to September, and the fruiting is still not recorded as per in this paper. So this is also one of the contribution by Dr. Pankaj Kumar in orchid biology. Then move to our next one. So here is another one, Odontochilus puttayensis. So this is an terrestrial orchid, as you can see from this picture clearly the habit and the habitat also. So it is a terrestrial herb. It is autotrophic, 18 to 60 cm long, rhizome creeping, cylindric and fleshy. And you can also see the inflorescence is erect, terminal and racemose, and you can say the flower is sometimes reddish brown with several sterile bracts are there, and you can say some minute hairy portion at the upper side of, you can see at the B picture, you can see it is 1 centimeter long and it has a hairy structure in it, and it is a reddish brown is there. So that is how you can distinguish it. And another fact is that the flowering from October to December, the plant found in Myanmar flowering, sorry, the plant found in Myanmar, they flowered mainly in October period. So this is one of the also one of the very great contribution by Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir. So you can also go through it in the citation that I've given downwards. You can go through it and get to know about more about in this orchid, and it is also a new record and key to the genus for China. So then move to our next one. Then comes to our Chrysostoma fluorescens. So it is a you can say it is an epiphytic orchid, and it is a branch epiphytic orchid with pendulous shoots. And in here, as per in this particular paper, the citation that I have given downwards, from that I get to know about their morphology is that the stem is slender and pendulous and simple or layerly branching near the base with few distant second, you can say secured leaves in apical half. Then the leaves are terete and fleshy and obtuse straight to arcuate. Then you can say the flowers are broadly opening 7 to 8 across. Sepals and petals are back curved, uniform chestnut brown, lip white with yellow side lobes, and column and anther cap light greenish, pollina bright yellow. So these are the characteristics of this orchid species. So the flowering is from October to September, and you can also go through this paper and also get to know about some other aspects on it. And another thing is that the flowering period, as I have told, then comes to our as per ecology, it is a branch epiphyte with pendulous shoots, primary and O secondary dry semi-deciduous, broad-leaved lowland forest and woodlands. So these are the you can say characteristics, and as per IUCN status, it is data deficient. Then move to our next one. So now come to our Liparis balansae. So Liparis balansae is a clustering epiphytic and lithophytic. The flowers are green, as you can see. The pedicels and ovaries are 1.5 to 1.8 Dorsal sepal oblong and lanceolate, apex obtuse, lateral sepals obliquely linguulate, lanceolate to oblong linguulate, and the petals are linear lanceolate, apex subacute. The lip is flabellate, oblate or broadly obovate orbicular. The flowering period is from September to October. So these are some of the morphology, and it is mainly I have already told that clustering epiphytic and lithophytic, and it is found in primary evergreen mixed and eco-coniferous co-coniferous dense wind forming forest or sandstone mountain tops at elevation of 1000 to 1400 meter, and as per IUCN status, it is least concern. So these are some of the information that I have got from the paper that I have also given in the citation over down there. So as per our previous slide and this slide are taken from only one paper, that is new orchid species in the flora of Laos. So then move to our next one. Then comes to our Paphiopedilum coccineum. So this is an clustery lithophytes, and the flower is yellow and white flower with a yellow center, and the flowering period is from September to October. So as per the distribution, or you can say in this paper, in that paper, it is given that the distribution is from Laos, as in northern part of country without exact locality is mentioned, and the Vietnam. Then you can say the ecology and phenology of this orchid is clustering lithophytes, then primary broad-leaved evergreen limestone forest areas it is found. Mainly very rare it is cited. Then as per IUCN status, it is I get to know that it is mean endangered, or you can say critically endangered globally. So due to its mean illegal trading and other aspects, horticulture trade and other aspects are there for some. In that paper it is also mentioned that due to logging and limestone mining, it is also the reason for decreasing of this particular species. So these are so you can go through this paper and get to know about the every nick and corner of the this particular orchid, and about their existence and how it is diminishing, and the IUCN status and ecology and phenology and other many aspects are there that you can learn from it and get to know about their every minute details of the flower and the flowering period. And if the fruit are some other plants are there that the fruit are not recorded, but in many papers it is recorded, so you can also go through that alternative work. So these are all for this. You can say the contribution of our Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir and orchid biology. He has a very good knowledge of orchid biology, and if anyone has working on this, or you want to know about more or want to know about the identification, can easily, or you can say can contact with Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir and get to know about the orchid and how you can differentiate it. So these are for all. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like this video. So these are our ending session of the contribution of Dr. Pankaj Kumar in Orchid Biology part session 2, where I have given some of the paper that I can through access through it, because some are there which I can't go through it because I don't have any access through that journal or something like that. So for that I have only presented some of his great work in where I can get the PDF. So this is all the citation I've also given in that, so you can also go through it. And thank you for watching. Hope you will like this video. So thank you.